Welcome back. Only on 12 tonight, Fox 12 has learned the Washington County DA's office is forming a new specialized unit to better prosecute domestic violence cases and help survivors.
Fox 12's MARJA Martinez has one woman's powerful testimony on the importance of these resources.
Paige Oldemeyer's story has a happy ending, and she acknowledges that many don't. Before you hear from her, I want to let you know we'll be sharing some strong images that some might find graphic. We're using them with Oldemeyer's permission.
He was just calm and telling me I was going to die.
In 2015, Paige Oldemeyer narrowly escaped death. She was punched repeatedly, strangled in her own home.
At one point, he let go of my neck, and I just fell into a pool of my blood.
But her attacker was no stranger.
I was 5, he was 6.
The boy she met in grade school became her husband and later her abuser.
Terry ended up going to prison for 3 years.
But according to the survivor, her story could have ended differently were it not for a chance encounter with Washington County Senior Deputy District Attorney Gina Skinner.
She was waiting to get the paperwork from a restraining order, visibly shaking, injured still.
Skinner sat down with Oldemeyer, learning more about her case, which she says had been wrongfully deemed a misdemeanor because the couple had been married.
He could have strangled the guy at 7-Eleven, and that would have been a felony crime, but he came home and strangled me, and that was considered a misdemeanor.
Skinner says her training in domestic abuse case law helped her fight to have the charges up to a felony. It's also why DA Kevin Barton appointed Skinner to head his newly created domestic violence unit, comprised of attorneys specially trained in this area of law. Their goal, to build prosecutable cases and ensure that in each one, the penalty fits the crime. This move comes about a year after the county opened its Family Justice Center to help survivors.
It's a one-stop shop. What maybe would take days to do by going from agency to agency, they can now do in a matter of hours.
FJC Executive Director Tony Locke says the center offers counseling, legal advice, financial assistance, and even child care. Survivors can also file a police report with detectives at the center and attend remote court via video in a private room. Oldemeyer wishes the center had been around when she needed it, but is glad it's there for those who need it now. Her advice to them, use it.
Make a plan. You need a plan.
Washington County partially funds the Family Justice Center, but they also depend on public donations. If you want to get involved, go to our website, kptv.com, for more information. In studio, MARJA Martinez, Fox 12 Oregon.